Welcome back. So now I'm very happy to show you this platform, obviously for obvious reasons. First off, the obvious reason, which being crypto literally recovering, even though it hasn't recovered to where it was. But for those that were in loss, just keep holding, man. We are in for a long time. Well, this video is not about cryptocurrency. Well, about cryptocurrency, but not in the way you expect it to be. So I'm going to be showing you how to deposit from Binance specifically. So people have had issues with this. People have come to me on my DM for various funny reasons and all that, but I'm going to be showing you how to do this easily now. First off, you have to have something in your balance, obviously. So I moved this money here about 5 hours ago for the specific reason of this video, and then so you have to have a certain amount in your Binance account. Now what you have to do is that amount have to be in whatever cryptocurrency you have to have it in. You have to move it to Litecoin. So I'm doing this on Litecoin based on the fact that LTC is literally the easiest coin to move into your Deriv account and convert. First off, the fees are very easy, and it's faster, and every other reason that can come in between. But those are the major reasons why I use it, because of the fees and the speed at which they deliver. So now what we want to do is, before we come back here, let's dive into my Deriv account. Okay. Hold on, sorry, that's just Netflix. So we'll come back to my Deriv account here. Now you can see on here my main account is empty. I made a withdrawal a few days back, so this is totally empty. So I'm going to come here. We click on cashier, click on deposits. Now I'm doing this step by step so I don't get any other funny questions in my DM again. After clicking on deposits, now what we want to do is we want to use cryptocurrency, right? So there's a lot of options here. Now you can see here there's a deposit via bank, and which we are not using that. We are using the deposit cryptocurrencies. Now once you click on this tab, deposit cryptocurrency, I already have, you can add any other cryptocurrency you want, but I already have added Tether and Litecoin. Now I mistakenly added Tether due to the fact that I thought it was going to be easier, since that's USDT. But you can see this is on the ERC20. And for those that understand cryptocurrency pretty well, ERC20 is the Ethereum ecosystem, the Ethereum blockchain, and which has to do with great amount of fees. So I could probably be sending one amount, and that same amount can be the fee and the likes. But that's not what we're going into right now. So we are using the LTC Litecoin. Now I want to click on that. I'll click on continue down here. Click on continue, and then okay, it loads for a while, and it gives us a deposit address. Now gives us a deposit address. You can go ahead and read the information down here below for clarity and all that. But once given us that deposit address, before we copy this address, or we can go ahead and copy the address. Now after we've copied it, all we have to do is go back to our Binance. Now that money we have there is in USDT. Now we want to transfer LTC. What to do is find a way to buy LTC first off. So I'm going to go in here, click on trades. Now this is exactly what I clicked here. I clicked trades, and then I clicked on LTC. LTC, which is currently trading at $147 at the time of this video. You can see that. Now we want to buy LTCs. Now let's assume I want to make a deposit of $50 into that account. Okay, sorry, not 50 LTC, rather $50 into that account. You see now, for a fee and network fee and all that, the Binance app is automatically taking 0.1 fee. So now, okay, I don't want them to take anything at all. Okay, let's just do this with 50, and then we click on buy. Now we bought at market price. The actual value is trading, which is 147.7. Now we'll go back to our wallet and we find it. Let's do a refresh, and we'll find it here. So you can see here LTC. Now what we want to do is we can click on it and click on withdrawal. Since we are moving the money to another account, now we click on withdrawal. The address we copied earlier from your Deriv account, let's just go back here. This address I had copied earlier from my Deriv account. I will come back here. You can see it's written fadedly here that to long press to paste. So once I click on that, hold it down, click paste. Now automatically it fills in the network, and that's the Litecoin network. It fills in the network. But if it doesn't fill in for you, just click on it and pick the Litecoin network. That's what they're usually going to give you. So we are going to fill in the max amount. That's the total amount of LTC we are trying to move. And we click on withdraw, confirm. Now I have to send code to both emails and likes. So after filling in both codes, I click on submit, and yeah, request has been successful. No, so now this request has been submitted successfully, but what you have to do is the withdrawal request, which we'll go through. Now you can actually find a way to observe this and copy it on the blockchain, but I actually have a crypto channel for all that where we do all those teachings, but this is not necessary. All you have to do right now is just wait. So we've done our withdrawal, we come back here, refresh our page, the money is still there. So what we have to do is wait. Now you can see the withdrawal of LTC is processing 25 seconds ago. So since it's going to another account on the LTC blockchain, it shouldn't take much time. So we should expect this withdrawal to be successful in minutes. Now let's see if let's try and wait and see if it's going to be successful real quick. All right, so far as you can see on here, we are 7 minutes in, and we just have about 2 confirmations. So we're still waiting for one more confirmation, and secondly, our transaction ID will be given to us right before the confirmation started. So you can actually reset, copy that and check on that, but that's not really important. So let's just wait for that one, and once it's successful, yeah. Okay.
Hello guys, welcome to Crypto Class Africa. I'm going to show you how you can buy the million token right away. I'm going to minimize and go into my Trust wallet. Okay, right here on my phone I have many crypto apps, so you can check the description of this video and see the free ones I'm mining, and you can get to mining it. Okay, so this is Crypto Class Africa right here. Okay, and this is the million token I'm talking about. In my previous video I explained
So you can see here exactly 9 minutes in, and we are already gotten a successful transaction. So yeah, our balance has deducted to 50. So you can see that we have the confirmations 3 out of 3. Now there are possibilities that this can become longer or probably shorter, but I think this is the average time you actually need to wait 9-10 minutes, and you already have a successful transaction. So that's basically it. You don't have to come on here and start. I think you should follow this, and then yeah, you should bring profit. So you can see on here. Okay, we're going to check on our Deriv account. All right, obviously in our Deriv account here we have it's trading here. So now we want to trade the synthetic indices, boom and crash and the likes and all that. So all we have to do now is go in here and transfer. Click on cashier, transfer. All right, so we're transferring the whole thing to our synthetic indices, and if we transfer that with network fee and everything, we have 49.79. all right, so we click on transfer. Yep, and it's done. It's literally done. So we'll come up here and you can see here that our Deriv account has 48.9. so now why it's 48.9 is due to the fact that the Deriv platform takes, I think, approximately 1 point something dollars for themselves as network fee and the likes. So that's basically it. You have any other questions, you can leave that in the comment section. Like, and don't forget to subscribe, most importantly, obviously. And bye for now, and see you on the next one. Unluckily, our video also made us literally 9 to 10 minutes, so same time with our transaction. All right, see ya.